All right. Ooh, this is going to be fun. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So, blue head yappy dog. Does it exist? Well, if it does, here I will show you how to see some things to make sure one of these here don't end up as one of these here. So first, let's look at the cow bee. When you look at the cow bee, it has a lot of different pieces. 2 ears, 2 horns, the eyepiece, and then this big snout. When you look at Yappy, similar eyepiece, different ears, but nothing is put in the ear hole. Different noses as well. So, how can we tell if this here was once this? Very simple. Look at his mouth. Do you see any glue residue there? Not sure if it's showing up on film, but there is a little mark here and little marks here. So why would that glue residue be there? Maybe because there was a snout at one time glued onto it? Okay, we'll just say that that isn't the reason. So, let's look here at the side of the head. See the square hole? And then you see the round hole down at the bottom. That's actually going to be your pivot. Right here, you see some wear marks and some glue marks. Well, if nothing has ever been in there, which it shouldn't be for the yappy dog, it should look similar to this down here. Now, I'm only showing you what the PEZ is telling me. So let's look at this way. Is there a blue yappy dog? I'm not sure. But what I do know is that people will alter this piece to look like this piece because this piece sells for more money than this piece here. And the ways for you to identify whether or not it's a real blue yappy, look for marks in that square piece right in there. Look for glue residue in there. Also look for glue residue along the mouth. If you see some kind of, see how it's altered a little bit there with the, where the line is around the mouth. That's the area I'm talking about. So my final verdict on this one, yeah, I think this was 2 cows. But now we know. So until next time.